Hey there! Having a bit of a hassle with your Windows Explorer freezing or acting up on your Windows 11 PC? No worries, you don't have to summon Bill Gates for assistance. In this guide, I'll walk you through tackling that pesky glitch. Let's dive right in and get it sorted without any further delay. Solution 1. Adjust Windows Explorer privacy settings. First things first, fire up Windows Explorer on your computer. Then, up in the top bar, give that three-dot icon a click. Next up, from the drop-down menu, hit up Options. Now locate the Privacy section and uncheck the boxes for the Show Frequently Used folder and Show Files from Office.com. Click on the Clear button. Finally, hit Apply and then OK to lock in those changes. Give it a whirl and see if it resolves the issue. Solution 2. Repair Windows System Files. To begin, click on the Windows search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search results, select Run as Administrator and click on Yes. Now in this window, type in sfc /scannow and hit Enter. After that, type in DISM/online/cleanup-image/CheckHealth and press the Enter key. Next, type DISM/online/cleanup-image/scanhealth and press Enter. Then type in DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore-health and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer, and after your computer turns on, these issues should be gone. Solution 3. Restart Windows Explorer. For this one, simply right-click on the taskbar and pick Task Manager from the menu. Then in the search box here, type in Windows Explorer. Next, right-click on the Windows Explorer process and opt for Restart from the menu. Once it's fired back up, that issue should be a thing of the past. And there you have it, folks. That's how you tackle the headache of Windows Explorer freezing or acting unresponsive on your Windows 11, whether it's a desktop or a laptop. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.